How to draw Flynn Rider. We are going to start by drawing the right side of his face. Then we are going to go to the left side of the page and draw a diagonal line going downwards that curves at the bottom and connects to the right side of his face. This will be for his left jawline and chin. Awesome job! Learn how to draw Hub Crew. Next we are going to draw his neck. For the right side we will draw a small line coming downwards from his chin. Then for the left side we are going to draw a line coming downwards from the left side of his jawline. Looks great to learn how to draw Hub Crew. Next we are going to begin drawing his face. First we will draw his mouth. For this we will draw an oval-like shape that comes to a point on the left side. Looks awesome! Now we are going to draw a line through the center of that shape that does not connect in the middle. This will be for the middle of where his teeth meet. Nice job! Learn how to draw Hub Crew. For the next step of drawing Flynn Rider's face, we are going to draw his nose. For the bridge of his nose, we will draw a slightly curved line towards the right side of his face. Then we are going to draw a small curved line coming from the right side of the bridge of his nose for the right side of his nose, and then a small curved line on the left side for the left side of his nose. Then we are going to draw a small dot for his left nostril. Awesome job! Now we are going to draw his eyes. First we are going to draw Flynn Rider's right eye. For this we are going to draw an oval-like shape connecting to the right side of his face. Next we are going to draw a half circle connecting to the top outline of his eye. Then inside of that we are going to draw a bold and C-like shape for his pupil. Awesome job! Next we are going to draw his left eye the same way. Looks awesome! Learn how to draw Hub Crew. Now we are going to draw his eyebrows. First, for his left eyebrow, we are going to draw a curved-like shape. Then we are going to draw his right eyebrow that will be less curved and connect to the right side of his face. It will look as if he's raising this eyebrow. Next we are going to draw a line that looks like a candy cane shape that will start above his left eyebrow and go down right to the left side of the eyebrow. This will be the start of a piece of his hair. Then we are going to draw a W-like shape at the bottom of that line, and bring the left side of the W upwards and curve the line towards the top of his head. Great job! Next, we are going to draw a curved V-like shape connecting from that piece of hair to the left side of his jawline. Next, we are going to draw a curved line connecting the top of the two sides of that V-like shape that extends towards the left. Then we are going to draw his ear by drawing a curved line connecting to the outside of that curved line we just drew down to the left side of his jawline. Then in the middle of his ear, we are going to draw a curved line for detail. Looking awesome! Next, we are going to draw a wavy line across the bottom of his chin for his beard. Lastly, we are going to finish drawing his hair. Across the top of his forehead, we are going to draw small curved lines for his hairline. Then we are going to start by where his right eye is and draw a few jagged lines and then a big curved line going upwards towards the top middle of his head. Then from that line, we are going to draw another curved line going towards the left, and then one more big long curved line going down towards his neck that has a few waves at the bottom. Then I am going to add some detailed lines throughout his hair. You could add them if you would like as well. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. I'm sure your drawings came out awesome and I can't wait to see them, so make sure to share on Instagram by using hashtag LearnHowToDrawHub. Also, if this video helped you out, give it a big like below and stick around until the very end to see our drawing all colored in. See you next time, Learn How to Draw Hub crew!
Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.